Okay guys, so we got a very special offer for you today. Okay, we've got a bundle for you of softwares. What you're looking at right now is a website in WordPress. Okay, now this website that you're looking at now took one click to create. One click. And the content here is what we found from archive.org. Okay, from a snapshot in archive.org. All I had to do was click a button one time. Click one button one time and we have created the website that looks like this, because that's what the website looked like before. Okay, this domain I found using our broken link finder tool. Okay, you can see the quality of this domain. It's got domain authority 35, it's got like 2,100 links, and it's got 702 referring domains. It's got a nice backlink profile. It's perfect for local marketing, but it's kind of out of date content because this says 2012. Now all we have done is we have rebuilt this in one click, so I can easily use this for a 301 redirect, or I can go and update this information here. Because it's all in WordPress, I can do that. Okay, perfect, very easy, very simple. You can see it's even got that video in here as well. That was all pre-populated in one click. Let me show you. If I come into this section here where it says snapshots, okay, now when you put your license key in for any site, this will pre-populate immediately. Okay, literally it takes about 1 or 2 seconds, and that's pre-populated. And what you need to do then is you just come down and you have a look at some of the previews. Okay, and you can find a preview that you're happy with, like this one here. You can see great content, and you know, it looks good, very well designed. Then all you need to do is come up here, choose the date. So that one was May 2013. So I choose here 2013 May, and again 2013 May. Retrieve archives. That's the only time I do any work, apart from putting my license in to activate the plugin. I click on that one time. Okay, and here you can see it's processing, and it does this automatically one page at a time. Now there's a warning here about cron job, but the software is actually built in to do the cron job for you. Okay, we've got it all built in. If there is any problem, it's probably because you need to do something on your server. Just send a support ticket and we will help you. Okay, so far we've got 10 URLs processed from 13. I'm waiting for the other 3. So what we have got here is the ability to go and recreate inside WordPress from archive.org. Now if you go over to fiverr.com and you go and try and find somebody that can recreate or rebuild from Wayback Machine into WordPress, they're charging you something like $100 per site. And we can do it in one click. We've just taken the pain out of that completely. Very powerful. Now combine that with the other tool that I'm giving you today in the bundle. So it's a nice combination. I actually got both of them delivered at the same time, and I didn't want to sell them separately because they work so well together. And you can see that we just keep finding really good domains. If I just sort this out by the domain authority in here, and this has been running when I've been away doing videos and other stuff, so I've got no idea what I'm going to find in here, but immediately you can see this one, best reviews, reviewers.com, and it's got domain authority 35, 1,942 links. If I just copy that and I go over into Google Chrome and I paste that in here, and I click on that little icon there for SERPworks. I use SERPworks because it gives us some instant information from Majestic and Moz, etc. What you will see here is that we've got page authority 27, domain authority 35, spam score is 0, okay, and we've got 2.6 thousand do follow links, 682 referring domains. Okay, now Majestic is going to give a lower trust flow, etc. Because it typically does that for expired domains. Once you start to rebuild it and re-index it, which we can do, rebuilding in basically one click, re-indexing in 5 minutes. It's just so quick and so easy. PBM building has just got so much easier, yeah, using this combination of tools. So what we've done as well, we've put inside the account creator so that you can create Namecheap accounts, you can create them in bulk, you can export them, so you can save the CSV and you can manage them. You can put in some extra columns if you want, and you know what domains you've added where. We've got a YouTube ad targeting tool. Usually when I'm using these kind of tools, you get about 200 results maximum, and it's kind of slow and cumbersome, and you're waiting, and it's getting frustrating when you're waiting. We had gone past 200 within a minute with this tool, okay? And all we did was add a new project and put in about 8 or 9 keywords, and it's pulled back 1,500 videos that you can go and advertise on quite cheaply, okay? Because you know the ad placement video URLs that you want to use. We got the competition analyzer in here, and that will give you information if you want to go and reverse engineer or go and see what the competition is for any particular keyword. You can see the page authority of the videos and all that kind of good stuff, and social shares and comment counts and stuff like that. Okay. The other thing about Broken Link Finder is if we see, or if you go and buy an expired domain, you know, there's a good possibility that the person who had that domain and had the YouTube channel is no longer using the YouTube channel. So what we can do is we can download his videos and re-upload them. We can embed his videos into the websites and stuff like that. So we've got a whole bunch of different things that we can do. So let's have a look at this one, this MLM Marketing Solutions. 4 years ago, he put the video up, got 21,000 views. If I right click on this, you can see I've got some options. I can go and buy on GoDaddy, buy on Namecheap, etc. If I click down the bottom here to send to Channel Spy, it's going to pull in all his videos, okay? And we can see the videos that's got the most views, like how to create a tutorial with VideoMaker FX. Now we can recreate that. We can use the same titles, same tags, etc., etc., and we can recreate that whole campaign and update it with our own affiliate link, or just update, you know, any kind of affiliate promotion that's been high traffic that we can find using the Broken Link Finder, because we can see the video views, we can see how long ago these videos were uploaded. Okay, so you know, there's a good chance that you can find something maybe about dating, or maybe about slimming, or maybe about fitness or whatever, that you can update and modernize the campaign to products and affiliate offers that are relevant for today. Okay, and you can see what worked for them, because usually they've got great headlines, subject lines, etc. You can easily do all of that as well. Okay, so there's 4 tools on the left hand side. We will probably be adding more. I don't know what they are yet. If you've got any ideas to add to this, as long as it's within the theme and the concept of what we can do in YouTube, as far as like spying on competition, or you know, using YouTube to get data and information that we can use for SEO, then if it's a good idea, we will seriously consider to put it in if it's going to add value to the user experience for you and for me, because I use these tools as well. Okay, so this is a fantastic bundle. I could not sell them separately. If I was going to sell them separately, they would be about $300 each. What you can get today is a special offer. You can see the buy button down below, and you can choose to take advantage of that. Now, to build something like this that looks complex in one click, that is just something so unique, so powerful, that anybody can build PBNs very, very quickly and very, very easily without any hassle at all. We just made PBN building so much easier, from finding the domains to rebuilding the content. And if you're using a system like EasyBlog Networks, they take care of a lot of footprint issues that, you know, you can just knock these out really quickly in any niche. Super powerful bundle. Take advantage of the price, because the price will probably be changing over into monthly cost after we do the early bird promotion. So this is the first sales video, if you can call this a sales video. And basically I'm just telling you what it is, because you know, I don't really feel the need to overhype stuff. I just tell you what it is and what the features are. Most SEO guys get that. You don't need the hype, you don't need to be sold on the benefits. You can see immediately what we can do with this without having any hypey BS thrown at you trying to push a sale. You know, if it's for you, if you understand exactly what I'm talking about with this, then it's for you, okay? If you don't, it's probably not for you. Maybe you're not ready yet for getting into that kind of sort of darker hat SEO stuff with private blog networks and stuff like that. But it's a great tool, great bundle, fantastic price. Take advantage of it before we switch over to the monthly pricing. Thanks.